Hello friends, today we will see how to get character of particular ASCII code. First we will see what is this ASCII code. If I check on internet and I get this full chart of ASCII characters. So this ASCII is American Standard Code for Information Interchange. So whatever character we are entering through keyboard, it is having some code. So in our Python program, we are going to see how to get character of particular ASCII code. So for this, first I will take one ASCII code as input from user. ASCII code is equal to, I am taking as input because ASCII codes are in integer format, and ASCII code. Now next I want to convert this ASCII code into particular corresponding character. So I will take char is equal to, then in Python you have to use chr function to convert particular ASCII code into its character. So I am passing here this code, ASCII code. Now this function will convert this ASCII code into its character value. Next I want to print this output on the console. For this I will use this f string. To use f string you have to prefix that string with f. Then I will type here character of ASCII code. Here whatever user has input ASCII code, that ASCII code I am taking here. ASCII code is the output whatever I got, chr. Okay, then we will save this file and run it. So first I need to enter ASCII code. So if I enter 97, it is giving me small a. If I enter capital 65 number, it will give me capital A. So if we check the chart, so 65 is ASCII code for character, capital character A. In this way you can find the particular character of ASCII code using Python. So in Python you have to use this chr method for this. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.